How to redeem Amazon gift card on the Amazon website. The first step, once you have a full basket and ready to check out, is click in the top right hand corner where it says hello, your name and account and list. Click that drop down, then click on your account. Next, click on gift cards and top up. There you should be able to see a redeem a gift card button. Go ahead and click on that, type in your code or paste it if you have it like that, then click apply to your balance. There, if it's accepted and it's correct, you'll want to click the top right hand corner where it says basket. Then you want to click on proceed to checkout. In this section here, you want to click on use a gift card voucher or promo code. In this section, it's very important that you make sure that the gift card option for the amount that you have is ticked. So I say use your £50 gift card balance, that's ticked there, make sure it's ticked. Otherwise, it might just use your debit card or credit card and it won't be used fully like you want to. So as you can see there, the £50 gift card has been taken off the £53.04 purchase. The rest of it will be paid by the payment method. So click the use payment method for the rest of the fee. Then click buy now in the top right hand corner. And once you've done that, it's all done. You've managed to fully successfully use your gift card. Leave a like on the video if it helped and subscribe for more helpful videos.